It's Monday and it's so cold. Hi, Sophia. Good morning. Ta-da. Say hi, guys.
Is this the before finals type of vlog? Oh, that's so sweet.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Annie's channel.
And today is December 1st, 2024. Second, sorry. Oops. Happy Merry Christmas.
The genotypic frequency, the frequency of the genes, mutations cannot affect the genome until you have a genome.
Table. I come to my observation already thinking I had more than one thing. One is measuring the allele frequencies. So P and Q are measuring allele frequencies. Like, does that make sense? I already believed that I had more than one thing. I get more than one thing.
I skipped chem today, to go to Nelson's bio lecture to see how it's like to compare the two professors. Oh my god. Yeah. I actually was disappeared. I'm like, wow. I think it was so funny. Everybody's laughing. Also, so many people I did the quiz and I brought it back. Okay, so here. It's Monday, so we had a quiz. I wrote whatever because I did not really, but I think I got it right. I just had to elaborate.
Evidence or observations support the idea that at least some animals share common ancestors. Oh, that's not that bad.
Second to last chem lab today. Yay. This mean guy. He's so mean.
So you'll transfer the water from here up to about the neck. Not too bad.
Look at us struggle. Yeah, that's so sad. Honestly, they won't know about our preciseness because we already weigh everything.
What you might be able to do is grab the whole thing and like so.
What? Sorry, myself.
Oh,
Grab that dude.
that goes our
Put it
precision.
in there.
Okay. Yay! Thank you. Wow, that was a lot of salt. There, we got it. Okay, now add the water.
Professor?
No, you got it.
For the amount of water used in the solution,
Add to
do we just do the 100 minus what's left?
Yeah, but you're not done yet. That has to be after this is dissolved and then
Anyway, you guys are still on this.
Yes, we will.
Oh my. It's getting worse and worse.
Okay, Annie.
yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's start over.
Yay! Go, Annie. It's okay. Now we have experience. It's okay.
Yes, we have experience. Yeah.
Second time.
Step 1 and you have messed up. It's okay.
Add the water. Oh wait. So what? That was. It will be my fault, bro. Just add it to here because up here it's gonna go really fast. He said here.
Was that like 11 or 5?
Okay, let's play safe.
No.
Okay, let's play safe. Great, stir. Now stir it, shake it.
Wrong way.
Shake, shake, shake. And look, they're also shaking.
It's moisture.
We just started, bro.
I'm hurting inside. It was a big smile.
Right. We had to say that. All because of Zen. Look at Annie. Hard action.
This is a real smile, just so you know.
I don't know why. I don't know why. Look at clearer as we go.
It's not clear, Ellie. Wait, let me take this off and then. Oh.
Duh.
Nothing, bro.
So he knows more.
Is this clear, guys?
Yes, it's clear enough.
Oh.
Bro. What the? Why did you still put them in charge of this? They basically threw precision off the window.
Once again.
Okay, go. Oh! Okay, that's it. We're doing this. Okay. Everything right?
Yeah.
There's one lab drop, right? What if we just drop this one? What if we just leave? Is there a lab drop?
Like, let's say there's a lab drop, and I have 90s on all these labs.
You
Okay.
do?
No, I just hypothetical. This water.
To that one.
Yeah. Duh. Just hurry up and do it.
If you overfill it like Caleb, it's gonna crash out.
Don't do it that way.
It's okay, we're gonna do it that way for a bit.
Fine, do it that way. Do it. I'll tell you when to stop.
Annie, give me the water. Wait, watch me overfill it now.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. I'll tell you what it's going. Keep going. A lot more. Keep going. Good. That's perfect. That's perfect. Keep it that way. And keep going a little more. Slow, 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 slow. And a little
Keep
more.
going, right?
Keep going, keep going. I'll take
Here.
Just a little. And you're close.
Okay, no, stop. Wait.
Yeah, take 5 minutes.
No.
Okay, good.
And get the 10.
It's good.
Now you're gonna shoot it all the way up to the top and then let it go all the way down.
Oh, this one. Okay, here, right? And we heat it. Yes.
Moles divided by liters of solution, right? Whole solution for the salt.
It's 6:04. We're still in lab. We're so close, guys. Right here. Oh. This is the worst lab.
Okay. Next. Moles.
Cook, baby. Cook. We're cooking.
What we're doing.
We're cooking.
What are you doing?
Oh. After I copy off of that.
7. Oh.
Struggling.
Wait, no, you guys must over 1,000% experimental error. That's crazy.
Stop.
What did you guys get for this then?
He waited!
How much was it?
I waited
zero
it.
it out?
Yes.
Sure.
Promise.
He did not.
I did. I guarantee you.
I really changed the number by like 5.
Nobody got from 1,000 to 1.2. Okay.
Yeah.
We went from 20 to 1,000 to 1.2%.
1.2? That's us. She's telling something about us. We're done with chem lab, and we had like 1,000% error.
Wait, what is it?
Is it good? Oh, it's good.
This like one of the only ones that like.
Okay, thank you. 1,000% error.
That's not our fault. That's not our fault.
It's not our fault. It's not our fault.
People had one job. He did no calculation.
And he weighted wrong. How did he weight it wrong? Okay, I'm finally done. It was exhausting. And look what I've got today. Sushi bowl. This was their longest lab, like the whole semester. This is really good. Oh my goodness, it's snowing. There's snowfall, guys.
Did you actually come back just to see?
Yes, Sally. So pretty. Say hi, everyone. Everybody's sick, right? Oh. Hi, guys. Welcome to my vlog. Hi. Say hi, Kimberly. Today, the school basically closed for this Christmas lighting ceremony, so it better be good. Even the library is closed. Really? Yes, it closed at 6. I am so sad about it. I want everyone to be here. Apparently. 3, 2, 1. Get the egg. Keep posing. Thank you. Aw, look at them. We got our donuts. Oops, you can't really see my donuts. Donuts. See.
Cider and hot chocolate.
Yay.
10 minutes, but it's okay.
Yep, we waited 10 minutes for these. But it's so good though. Another moment to add to my interesting week. It's in the middle of the night. It's 3 o'clock and there's a fire alarm. It's so cold. I'm actually shaking. Oh my goodness. At least we get to enjoy that Christmas tree over there. At 3 in the morning. Okay, not that bad. Not that bad, guys. Apparently this is not a drill. It's an actual fire. But right now, I'm either dying of the cold or I'd rather die in my comfy bed. It's so cold right now. You don't understand. It's like below 0 Celsius. That's crazy. It's below freezing. Ah. Oh my goodness. Ah, I'm freezing. Wow, look at that.
You can see the winter in the grass. We freeze, but at
It's
least
so
we get a beautiful
cool.
scenery. I die like this. I die out here.
Everybody's eating lunch at the class. Say hi. And they're doing their chem homework.
Wait, you have to run outside or
But it's 3 miles.
Doing their chem
It's
homework.
3 miles.
And discussing their grades on fitness. Quick update, guys. I just got rejected twice. Okay, he said that my chance of getting enrolled is very small. Does very small means no?
No, but there's still a chance. Maybe.
I was so polite too. I was like, thank you, exclamation point.
Exclamation point.
Oh my goodness. I guess I'm waving goodbye to drop test and extra credit. It's okay. I'll survive hamster. Hopefully. I'll survive cheers. Hello.
It's not
No! Artist Daniel at work.
Don't ruin it.
No. Pick me out, Allie.
Oh, and watch. I look at those back.
Maybe give me half.
Make it equal. Make it equal.
30 seconds.
That's good enough.
Yeah.
Look.
Okay.
Wait. Okay.
Yay.
Here's yours.
Wait, are you using the same mouse? Oh.
Me too.
Let's see if I get infected.
You are right.
Healthy. Anyone not infected, both. Do it.
Where? 14.2.
15.2. Divided by
Oh wait.
total skull length is this one.
If you spread it to the point that I know what you're talking about, that's all that matters.
Oh, we're just posing, huh?
Are we just posing? Okay, we're good. Okay, thank you everyone. Yay, EOG.
She got her PhD from University of Alabama at Birmingham.
And kind of they're found in the intertidal region. We're open tomorrow morning at 7:30, so if you're an early riser, feel free to be here at that time. If you're not, you guys have a great night.
Okay guys, last minute review. Everybody's struggling.
Laying it straight for them, huh?
Will I fail? Will this be my drop test?
Bye.
Let me hold on to my chapter memory verse to save me. Okay. Guys, I at least got the extra credit, right?
Hey, Sean.
Bible verse,
Hey,
the position,
no solid
2
remaining,
extra
right?
credit. And I failed the first page.
We use a graph, like if you visualize it, and we're at vapor, right? Which is here, solids over here. But the way that it goes, you can't go from here to here, you have to go from here to here.
What are you saying?
I'm saying sublimation.
Think about it. In number 1A, it's no solid remaining. But 1B, there is solid remaining. So the gas became solid. That's what I said. Right? Oh my goodness. Please don't tell me I got that extra credit even wrong. She's so serious. Please. Looks so good. Delicious. Okay, do it again. Okay, Merry Christmas. Thank you. Look at this, guys. It's so thick. Thick. Now let's see what it is. Oh, wow. It's green. What are you talking about? Green. No.
Hopeful.
Let's actually see what's inside.
Oh, it's very simple, but I hope you like it.
Handwritten card. It's actually handwritten. Look at that. You guys don't have that. We have that. Look at that. Best mentors. Aw, that's so sweet. Please don't tell me you have the same words. She's like, it was really special.
Very special for 30 people. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love it. Ah, Christmassy. It's so cute. Perfect. Something to keep me warm. Look at all those people running for their grades. Oh, cheerleading.
For glory! For that cooking! I know that cooking good! Exercise!
Way too much fun.
Supporters! Wait, this is the college experience, everybody.
Going to life group, and it's freezing. Yay! Yay!
Yay!
Perfect. So you guys gonna be one now. You guys gonna be two. Okay. So rejoice, and again I say rejoice. Okay. You guys. Don't follow them. Okay. You guys follow me. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Rejoice in the Lord always, and again I say rejoice. Rejoice, rejoice, and again I say rejoice. Rejoice, rejoice, and again I say rejoice.
1, 2, 3.
Friday night, cooking again.
Welcome to my vlog, guys. I am a 5-star Michelin chef. I'm here in the Tisha crib.
Tisha crib, what?
But I'm the star here.
Okay, Arely. Tisha crib. The Tisha?
The Tisha.
Knitting Sophia?
Yeah, knitting your scarf.
My scarf. Wait. I'm gonna tell people I knitted. she's my hand. Oh, it looks so professional.
You know how much I get paid a year? 0.
It's a lot. Oh, going with you. Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
We are a Michelin restaurant.
Yes, I get paid like 300K a day, guys, a day. This one dish is worth 10K.
There's like multiple flavors.
You know what this is?
Oh, it smells like cheese.
It is. You know what this one is?
Oh, it smells like ketchup or something. What?
It's lime. Lime and habanero pepper.
Am I tripping? Okay.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, look at the color.
Pumpkin, like people who were like farmers. Knock knock. Who's there? What?
I can change my
Knock knock. Who's there?
that.
You're the lady. You're the lady.
You know what a matter baby is?
What is that?
No.
She's not gonna say what a matter baby.
Yes. Do you know what a matter baby is? No. Repeat what I just said. Do you know what a matter baby is?
Don't ask her. Oh, you know a matter baby?
What's a matter baby?
Nothing.
That's how you would go about it.
Hi. Saturday night, studying.
I should have done that.
Oh my goodness, Hana! You surprised me! Bio test on Monday. We gotta lock in tonight and tomorrow and next week because there's finals.
I feel like once we're done with our religion, fitness, of bio lab, and chem final, we can focus on our bio lab. I mean, bio exam.
You mean like study the day? It's okay, we're gonna study. Okay. Bye guys, we're gonna study. Wait, you have to say, please like, no. Please like, no. Please like, subscribe. Wait, again. Please like, follow. One more time. Please like, follow, and comment down. It's 10 o'clock already, guys. If I do commercial ads with this, I'm gonna be like, buy this to save your life. Please try it, guys. Please try it. Okay, bye. Okay.